Alright, g'day guys, again we have another video here. This one's called factorisation using the perfect square rule. Okay, so again we're doing the same thing and we're recognising some patterns that we have in expansion. Okay, that is, if we have a plus b squared, we can write this as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Or if we have a take b squared, we can write this as a squared take 2 times a times b plus b squared. So we're recognising that pattern here and then factorising it to look like we have got over here. Okay, so x squared is of course already a squared term, so here we have a squared plus, and I'm going to leave that blank for the time being, and we're going to look over here. 16 is actually 4 squared, isn't it? So we have x squared plus what we're going to put in the middle here in a moment, and then plus 4 squared. And of course, what's going here? It's 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 4. And you can see if we have 2 times x times 4, that is equal to 8x. Right, so once we've written it out like this, we can recognise that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we can just write it like this, x plus 4 squared. And that's what we're doing. Okay, over here we have x squared take 6x plus 9. Okay, so this will be the second form because we have a take 2ab plus b squared. Right, so again we've already got the x squared. We're going to have x squared, we're going to have plus 3 squared over here. And of course in the middle we're just going to have take away 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 3. Okay, and again we recognise that pattern, x take 3 squared. Okay, notice this time there's the minus because we had it as a take 2ab plus b squared. Alright, if we have 9x squared plus 12x plus 4, what we're going to do is we're going to write 9x squared is actually 3x squared. Okay, so this time a is 3, and of course b is just 2 squared. Alright, and what we're going to have in the middle is 2 times a times b. You can see 2 times 3x times 2 is 12x. Alright, so again we're going to recognise we got a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We can rewrite this as 3x plus 2 squared. Okay, so a nice easy one where we get to use the perfect square rule. One thing you might notice is in some of them you may need to pull a factor out the front before you can do the perfect square rule as well. So just be aware of that.